Howdy folks, George Shively with you here on another project down here at the beautiful Shorby Club in Bracknell, Ohio. This is a 2008 48 Searay, and we are going to do a little modification here to the helm. Number one, we're going to add an autopilot, which the boat does not presently have. We're going to replace the VHF radio, which used to be here, and we're going to put in two Garmin 8616 displays, which is just going to look absolutely awesome. So just kind of wanted to give you a look at how things are going at the moment. We've just kind of been on the boat for about an hour or two. We've got the underside open, some access panels open. We've removed the speaker there for the old VHF. We're going to reuse that again so that we don't have to put a piece of starboard over there. That wouldn't look too attractive. Have some more access open here, and we're working in the ceiling as well. We've removed the radar, but wanted to at least touch bases with you here and show you what this looked like initially, and as always, we'll be back. So thank you very much for watching. Howdy folks, back with you here on the 48 Searay. Just kind of wanted to stop in and show you what we've accomplished thus far. We're getting ready to put in the new panel that we've had fabricated. This is an exact color match, style match to the original panel that we had over here that had the E120 in it. This is going to have two Garmin 8616s in it. It's going to look like a glass bridge on a private aircraft. But anyway, just wanted to kind of show you, again, lots of labels so we know what we're doing here. We have on this boat a NEMA 183 interface, which is the old style data interface, and that's needed because there's a smart transducer on the boat that's a NEMA 183 smart transducer. So we needed to have this bus to be able to deal with that, still get the information over to the SmartCraft display, as well as the Garmin's. So we're using that to manipulate the 183 data and distribute that accordingly. Again, lots of labels so we know what's what. Our NEMA 2000 interface is right there, and we've only got a couple wires plugged onto that right now, but again, you can see the little white tags with the labels so we know what node is what. So this is what the inside of a helm should look like. This is, for the most part at the top here, this is wired, this is done. Everything is clean, neat. We have enough wire coming out here away from the helm that we can easily plug things in, and we're not stressing wires and trying to get access that we just don't have. So again, this is kind of what things should look like and not a wiring nightmare. The ICOM M400 black box VHF radio, along with the command mic. We've modified the Northstar NS100 speaker to be able to work with the ICOM, although the Northstar VHF has been removed. So just kind of showing you how things are looking for the time being. We are in the process of working underneath to connect power, and we'll be back with you shortly. Stay tuned. Howdy folks, George Shively back with you here for a final look on the 2008 48 Searay. Just kind of wrapped up putting the autopilot in. You notice there's a Ferno Nav Pilot 711C that's above the SmartCraft vessel fuse system. Went ahead and put that in, and of course you've seen the other handiwork there on the dash. One of the other things we did was we hung a TV in the aft cockpit here, and we always put our sticker on here that says remove. Probably can't read it because it's probably a little blurry, but remove while underway. We can certainly take responsibility for our mounting system. That will not fail. However, you always want to make sure that the TV is down when you're underway, because if you run into hard water and the mount gives way that the manufacturer provided for in the back of the TV, it could fall, someone could get hurt, and there could be problems. So just wanted to take you a quick look here underneath the helm, show you our handiwork there, because that's probably more important than the top of the helm. But there is the new autopilot brain, the 7002 brain wired in neatly, cleanly. You'll notice that our power distribution is all labeled so we know what it is. You'll also notice, again, you see the little telltale white tags. That's our NEMA 2000 backbone, what it is. The bottom one is the pilot. Second one up is pilot compass. That's power. Then we go up into our others that are labeled up there. You can see the additional labels. So again, just very important to label everything and be able to tell what it is, because otherwise you don't know what you're working on, the owner doesn't know, and if there's a problem, it becomes a real problem. So again, neat and clean in the bottom here, not a mess. There's enough wire here for the autopilot brain to be able to come out and lay here on the floor so that it can be worked on if necessary, and then put back in. You always like to make the equipment serviceable, because at some point it probably will need it. So you don't want it with an inch of extra wire. So anyway, that is the 2008 48 Searay. We are wrapped up, and hope you like what you see. As always, George Shively, South Shore Marine Electronics. If you'd like to get in touch with us, our